The only way to win with a manipulator is not to leave their playground. Be so positive that negative people don't want to be around you. You attract more opportunities once you are calm because no one wants to deal with people who lack emotional control. I am no more not a teacher, not a leader, just a servant to your wishes. Sometimes God holds you back until the road is safe and clear to continue. Be thankful for delays. What is meant for you won't pass you by. Everyone's time is limited. What matters most is to focus on what matters most. Don't put the key of your happiness in someone else's pocket. Life is a story. Make yours a bestseller. Understanding is deeper than knowledge. There are many people who know you, but very few who understand you. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. In reality, other people liking you is a bonus. You liking yourself is the real prize. A child who reads will be an adult to things. The essence of philosophy is that a man should live so that his happiness depends as little as possible from external causes. If you stand for a reason, be prepared to stand alone like a tree, and if you fall on the ground, fall like a seed that grows back to fight again. Accept that you are not important to some people and move on. You will be free the moment you no longer care about what other people think about you. Charisma is the ability to project confidence and love at the same time. It is no bad thing to celebrate a simple life. We never really know the true quality of someone's character until the road gets rocky. I never left when things got real. I left when things got fake. If size mattered, elephant would be king of the jungle. Be brave and stand for what you believe in, even if you stand alone. A fresh start isn't a place, it is a mindset. Never confuse a single defeat with a final defeat. Circle got smaller, vision got clearer. Remove yourself from anywhere you don't feel valued. People say a lot, so I watch what they do. I don't need perfect people in my life, I just need honest, good-hearted ones. Someone who truly loves you will never let you go, no matter how hard the situation. Be a game changer. The world is already full of players. Some people are so poor, all they have is money. Some things have to end for better things to begin. Observe and reflect and become a little wiser every day. Learn to be your own best friend because there's going to be days where no one is going to be there for you but yourself. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Life has a habit of rewarding you after the worst periods. We forget that waking up each day is the first thing we should be grateful for. If you make friends with yourself, you will never be alone. Simplicity is the most difficult thing to secure in this world. It is the last limit of experience and the last effort of genius. Talent hits a target no one else can hit. Genius hits a target no one else can see. Genius is talent set on fire by courage. There is no great genius without some touch of madness. I have nothing to declare except my genius. The appearance of a single great genius is more than equivalent to the birth of 100 mediocrities. This is the nature of genius, to be able to grasp the knowable even when no one else recognizes that it is present. One of the traits of genius is not to drag its thought through the rut worn by vulgar minds. Someone once asked me, "Why do you always insist on taking the hard road?" I replied, "Why do you assume I see two roads?" Be a loner, that gives you time to wander, to search for the truth. Have holy curiosity, make your life worth living. It takes nothing to join the crowd, it takes everything to stand alone. Success doesn't just find you, you have to go out to fetch it. Never complain, never explain. You are not lost in life, you are in the process of finding your true happiness. No matter how much it hurts now, someday you will look back and realize your struggles changed your life for the better. What a shame that the girl who once believed in fairy tales and magic had to be struck by reality with demons in her mind and the fear of never being loved. There is a time to be a nice person, and there is a time to say enough is enough. Characterize people by their actions, and you will never be fooled by their words. In a world of algorithms, hashtags, and followers, know the true importance of human connection. Now, every time I witness a strong person, I want to know, what dark did you conquer in your story? Mountains don't rise without earthquakes. You are the driver of your own life. Don't let anyone else steal your seat. If they don't know you personally, don't take it personally. Focus on making yourself better, not on thinking that you are better. Your speed doesn't matter, forward is forward. Be so busy improving yourself that you have no time to criticize others. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. Surround yourself with people who believe in your dreams. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Deep inside of you is more strength than you have ever known. Life has a way of testing a person's will, either by having nothing happen at all or by having everything happen at once. Don't allow your wounds to transform you into someone you are not. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, smart people forget. You must find the courage to leave the table if respect is no longer being served. Honorable viewers, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं।